Hello everyone, welcome to Police vs. Wild Animals. Jaka, Bodycam captures everything. This channel brings you dramatic real-life moments where law enforcement officers encounter wild animals in unexpected situations. Let's dive into the exciting events coming up next. A police officer struggles to subdue his very first alligator in the middle of a chaotic parking lot.
Hey, come on, come on, come on!
Queensland police rescue a dog from a burning house in Blackbutt. A quick-thinking officer manages to save a dog just in time from a house fire. Police dashcam footage captures a chaotic fight between two deer right in the middle of a city street.
Come on, you follow your mama. You are just a cutie.
A former New York police officer wrestles his first alligator on his very first day of duty in Florida.
Over to PA, you are calling
A herd of horses runs freely through city streets, forcing police to step in. A loose pig runs through a residential neighborhood before being safely contained by officers.
Yeah.
A wandering goat leads Cumberland police on a chase through backyards. A turtle crossing the road narrowly escapes being caught by authorities. Police help a skunk that has a cup stuck on its head. Steelton police rescue a skunk with a yogurt cup stuck over its head.
Help him.
Officers attempt to capture a beaver that wandered onto a highway, causing traffic disruption. Berea police rescue an injured owl struck by a vehicle and bring it to safety. Japanese police help a group of ducklings safely cross the road. Officer rescues an injured owl found on the median of US 30 near US 42 in the Mansfield area. Police rescue a dog trapped in a fast-moving river after hours of effort. Officers apprehend a runaway pig roaming the streets of Fullerton. An aggressive wild turkey unexpectedly interrupts a police officer during a routine speeding ticket stop. A raccoon suddenly storms into the Bedford police station, prompting officers to chase it down. These are the most memorable moments from today's video. Which encounter impressed you the most, and how would you handle a situation like this? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.